We're going to take a look at MasterControl Insights. What MasterControl Insights is, it is a business intelligence and advanced analytics products that supports our solutions, and it comes in 2 different package types. Standard, which is out of the box. It does come with a lot of different collections and dashboards. And then our premium version, which does have a small cost associated with it, but there is a little bit more robust reporting and custom authoring that is included in that. So to get to that, you simply go to this Insights tile, click Dashboards, and it will take you to the Insights Analytics. Once here on the left-hand side, you can see the different collections that MasterControl has, whether it is the ones that are out of the box or with that premium version where you can create your own folders and within there your own dashboards. Over here, you'll be able to see those dashboards. We're able to see ones that we use frequently, different ones that are created, or if any dashboards have been shared with you. Up top here, we have what's called Pulse that will allow you to set limits to different items within your dashboards to send you notifications, and then a Report Manager, which allows you to send out scheduled or one-time reports. If I simply go into one of these collections, it's going to open up and show me different dashboards that I have available. When clicking into one of those, it'll then open up on the right-hand side that specific dashboard. Once that dashboard opens, you could minimize this to give you a bigger look at what that dashboard is. On the right-hand side, though, I could open this up, and this will allow me to see different filters. Not only can I filter over here on the right-hand side, but of course, there's different areas within the actual dashboard that I can go ahead and filter down as well. Here's where we could go ahead and select this and select those limits to different items. Again, adding that pulse, if you will, choosing what that threshold might be, how often you'd want to get notified, as well as who you want to send that notification to and what you want to send that notification about. Another thing is going to be the Simply Ask button. This will allow you to utilize AI technology, and whatever dashboard you're on, ask a question and it will give you a report resounding to that, and different options for different reports that could follow in suit with the question that you've asked. It also comes to exporting data. So I could go ahead, select up here and download this and shoot it out as a PDF or just an image. Another thing that I could do is if I scroll down to what's going to make up these visuals here, I have the raw data, and there I can export that into an Excel file. Anytime you see these hyperlinks within your different dashboards, that will allow you to get to whatever that direct item is that we're speaking about within these different dashboards as well. The last thing I'm going to quick point out is, again, if we open this up, I select this plus sign, I can go ahead, create my own dashboard, and now I have authoring capabilities to take all the different metadata that we've put within MasterControl and truly make my own custom dashboard. We're now going to look at how our Insights dashboards can directly help our quality departments, whether that be document control. Within our documents collection, you are able to see periodic reviews, so ones that are currently in process. I can see how many different periodic reviews, whether that's a specific document type, if I want to look to a department to see who is currently working on periodic reviews and how many days until they're due to make sure that we're still within those compliance guidelines. If I want to see what's coming down that pipeline for upcoming periodic reviews, I have quick and easy access to that. Another nice report that we have from a doc control perspective is if there's rejections that go on. I can see how many rejections have happened to that document, at what point, and where we're sitting along the way. So we have those quick and easy details available to us as well here. These reports, we have those wonderful visuals, and then down here I have that raw data, and I can really pull over and see, okay, how many of documents, how many times was it rejected, and then the reason as to why by simply clicking each one of these hyperlinks. You, of course, also still have that master list if you want to see that master list of documents, but then we can talk about training. Whereas from a training overall perspective, we can see where we're sitting as an organization. I can filter in here and say, okay, each supervisor, how many training tasks their team has. So I can see Matt Smith as a supervisor has 93 overdue tasks for his direct reports, and then see who those individuals are that is composed of. Not only do you have just that basic overview, but also within training, you can break down by each individual and what training that is required by them, each job code, depending on what role they have, what your competency points are. And then with our premium insights, we also have access to our lovely KPIs and trends. So this is an additional point that you would have access to. And within these KPIs and trends, remember, you can send out scheduled reports. You're also even able to go ahead and create trend lines to see, month over month or week over week where you're sitting. Last but not least, something that's coming is with our advanced quality events, we will have access to a connected by quality dashboard, which will allow you to see how many different quality events you have sitting out there, how long it's taking for them to close, etc. Also with a lovely report that's going to show with our premium insights, the quality scorecard. So you'd have access to both of those within the AQEM insights. We're going to take a look at MasterControl's Manufacturing Insights Analytics. We know it's critical for manufacturing departments to have visibility into status for production. Insights will allow for you to get that quick look at the status of your process, help identify bottlenecks or issue areas, and help lead to more productive planning and execution. A few different out of the box with our regular insights that we have, you have that quick and easy, just high-level overview of your manufacturing department. Here is where we have that, again, quick and easy overview. You can filter within that dashboard if you'd prefer, or over here on the right-hand side, we also have filterings available to us. Other dashboard types that MasterControl has to offer are going to be the containment, like an overview of containment, as well as the production records that are closed and rejected. So I have that quick overview as well. Another one would be having that certificate of analysis, which is great for contract manufacturing. You can go ahead and simply take this information and export it, whether that's PDF, Excel, however you see fit, and go ahead and send that off as well. Now, the biggest added benefit with our premium insights is having the capabilities to create something like this, which is my own custom dashboard with my MX data. And with that MX data, when you create production records, there's an area where you can go ahead and have different data tag points. And those data tag points can then be brought over here to your dashboard. So by simply clicking this little plus sign, right, I'll have access to all of those different data points that we've had within that production record. Another thing to point out that not only can you create your own, adding in different narratives to understand what those dashboards mean, but MasterControl Insights will be updated on a monthly basis. And when I say updated, not only different reports, but possibly different collections. So that production record data will be updated as well.